How to make time to learn how to code, even if you're busy, overwhelmed, and distracted. So learning how to code does take some effort and time, and sometimes it's hard to make time in your schedule to learn a new skill. But there are things that you can do to do this. One is to plan out your day, and often it is worthwhile to do what we call a time study. And that's where you basically take what you're doing now, and for the course of 24 hours, just mark down what you're doing in 15 to 30 minute increments. Don't think about it, just write it down. And do this for several days in a row. And then you'll have a certain idea of how you spend your day. Once you have your time study, you can analyze it and look at, where are there gaps in the day where you're not doing something particularly productive. And you can spend the time to focus on learning a new skill. You'll probably find that you waste time on social media, you waste time watching TV, you waste time maybe doing nothing in particular that's important. But you'll find these gaps here and there. And it doesn't really take a lot of effort to watch a short video. And that's why I've designed the daily code snippet videos that I post on my YouTube channel to be, a majority of them are less than 5 minutes. So you can take that short amount of time that you have, that you found in your schedule, to watch a video and, learn something new. The other thing you can do is once you've done your time study, you can look at your time study and see if there are things that you can do to move things around to create blocks of time when you can be focused. Because there are times in your day where you'll find that you're just too distracted. There are too many things going on. If you have a family, if you have kids, it's hard to focus on something that requires concentration. But there are also times that there are periods where you can actually really do something uninterrupted. And that's where you should put the time to learn a new skill. Put it in your schedule. Maybe it's the early morning before everyone has woken up in the household, or maybe it's late at night when everybody has gone to bed. And that's when you can really focus on something for your career and for your life. So that's where you can schedule the time to learn coding and learn a new skill. And then the third thing you can do is just think about why you've decided to do this, why you've decided that learning to code is something you want to do. Because you'll find when you understand your why, you know why it's important to you. And when that's the case, it becomes a priority to you. Because until you understand why you're doing something, you're not going to know to make it a priority. And when you understand that, this is a critical skill that you want to learn to help push your career, then you're going to find the time in your schedule to do this. So when it's a priority, you'll make the time. So these are some steps you can do to mark out some space in your schedule and learn how to code. Presented by Designers Learn Code.